And at the top of this hour, we're getting some breaking news. Charge sheet filed in the Zubeen Garg case. 3,500 pages charge sheet submitted to the CJM court at around 11:29 a.m. today. More than 300 witnesses' statements recorded, and with the charge sheet and supporting evidence compiled into 3 separate volumes. So 3,500 page charge sheet has been submitted. Officials said that the charge sheet will be submitted directly to the Chief Judicial Magistrate, and it has been submitted. So that's the latest that's coming in as far as the Zubeen Garg death case probe is concerned. And my colleague Priyanka is now joining us from Guwahati with more details on this. Priyanka, we're learning that 3,500 pages charge sheet has been submitted and more than 300 witnesses' statements were recorded for this. Give us more details on this.
Around 11:29 a.m., the charge sheet has been submitted here by the SIT, and it is a big development in the Zubeen Garg death probe, as the state came standstill when he died on 19th of September, and now it's a big development. The SIT has submitted the charge sheet today, and everyone in Assam is looking up for it, that what will happen after this. Yes.
Right. Priyanka, what lies next now that the charge sheet has been submitted with more than 3,500 pages?
Okay, so we tried to talk to an advocate here. So he said that the charges will be now examined, and the trial will begin soon. But it's a long process. It will take time, he said, because it's a big charge sheet. You know, it's 3,500, and there are many witnesses. So it is going to take time, but there is also a thing that there is a lot of pressure from the people, and elections are also coming. So there is a lot of pressure going on around, and so the people are giving pressure to the government. And so today, when Himanta Biswa Sarma came to give the press meeting today, he said to have faith in his government, and he said that he will try his best to give justice to Zubeen Garg. Yeah.
Right. Priyanka, also tell us about the probe so far, the arrests that have already been made in this case.
So 7 people have been arrested, including the event manager, who is Shyamkanu Mohanta, and Zubeen Garg's manager, who is Siddharth Sharma, and his bandmates, Shekhar Jyoti Goswami, Amrit Prabha Mohanta, and Zubeen Garg's cousin, who was present at the time of the incident happened in Singapore, Sandipan Garg, and 2 of his personal officers. So 7 people are arrested. They are accused in this death probe. And there were many witnesses who came here. Also, people came from Singapore, the organizing team, and everyone gave their...
All right, Priyanka, thank you so much for getting us all those details. So big development coming in as far as the Zubeen Garg death case probe is concerned. A 3,500-page charge sheet has been filed by the SIT. It has been submitted directly to the Chief Judicial Magistrate.